Hiya, Johnny. It's me, Steve Kelly, and Kelly here. She's on the camera. All right, this is flooring on our 13-foot Scamp. My wife's hand went through the flooring in the kitchen area, so we knew that had to go. We cut all that out and used it kind of as a template, measured, and made this. Now this I got at the hobby store, the Home Depot type of thing, and it's a little bit thicker than what came with, because that thing was so rotted. I just there wasn't anything there that was like this, but this is like pressure treated and pretty hardy. So when I had to go through, and heavy, I had to go through a bunch of them to get one that was at least not so bad. Has a little bit of warping going on, but I think once it gets screwed into the frame, that'll be fine. But I wanted to ask you a question about the lower tabbing, and if you come here. Anyway, in here, so like I said, we pulled off mostly all the upper tab a little bit, and here's the lower tab. But as you can see right here, the lower tab goes and lands about a 1/4 inch underneath where the frame is. And my thinking is that this flooring was so rotted, it just settled down, and that's why this rubber thing, the trim, is on the frame itself and not a little bit above. And I wanted to know if, well, we've seen a lot of people work on, mostly Canadians working on their bowlers, that what they do is they prop up the Scamp using wood underneath the aluminum belly band, and then place this down, the flooring down, attach it. Sometimes they temporarily screw underneath, and then put the fiberglass in, and then lower it down. And I wanted to know if that would take care of the lack of, make this off the frame a little bit, and just wanted to see how high it needs to be above the frame, because I've seen some Scamps a little bit higher, some on here like that, and I'm just thinking it might be because maybe their floors are a little rotted and everything's settled. So any advice, Kelly and I appreciate it, and I hope your project's going good. So like I said, we rescued most of the lower tab, and we're gonna repair this fiberglass while we got it exposed on both sides. So we're gonna fix these little things too, might as well. So thanks again for doing your project and giving us some inspiration. Adios.